It sure looks like NFT are here to stay. But if you've been looking into investing in NFT in hopes of flipping them for a profit, you might feel a bit discouraged by how incredibly expensive some of them are, with Bored Apes, for example, selling for hundreds of thousands of dollars. Fortunately, there are a couple of ways to make money with NFT without having to invest all of your hard-earned cash. Here are 3 of the best ways to make Mone with NFT. No investing required. Before watching the full video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications. Selling your own NFT. There are a few things you need to do in order to make money selling your own NFT. First, you need to create a digital asset that can be sold as an NFT. This can be done by using a blockchain platform such as Ethereum to create a smart contract that represents your digital asset. Once you have created your digital asset, you need to find a marketplace that allows you to sell your NFT. Some popular marketplaces include OpenSea and Rarible. Finally, you need to market your NFT to potential buyers. You can do this by using social media, forums, and other online channels to promote your NFT. Do freelance NFT work. There are a few ways to make money doing freelance NFT work. One way is to create NFT for other people or businesses. This can be done by designing NFT for people who want to use them for their own personal or business use. Another way to make money from NFT is to create and sell your own NFT. This can be done by creating NFT that are unique and desirable, and then selling them online or through auctions. Finally, you can also make money by offering services related to NFT, such as consulting or teaching others how to create and sell their own NFT. Pay to earn NFT games. If you're not artistically skilled, another great way to earn a little extra cash on the side with NFT is by playing one of the many play-to-earn NFT games. Most of these games require little to no investment upfront to get started. By playing the games, you can earn cryptocurrency and NFT that you can sell for additional profit. There are tons of options out there, with the top games including Gods, Unchained, Axie Infinity, and CryptoKitties. To learn a little bit more about how to get started with these games, check out this video on the top free to play NFT games that start earning you money today. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications about crypto-related videos.